This is unbelievable. Our entire house is engulfed in these disgusting, foul creatures. And the poor doggies don't know what to do. Molly had nightmares last night. What do you think, guys? I just pounded on the window and Molly put her paw up there and hit it. It was so cute. Like that, Mom? This is just, it's disgusting. I literally just like broke down in tears. I can't even leave the house. They're all at the patio roof and will randomly drop on you. And with my neck, I can't chance that happening because if I jerk, I could hurt myself. So I'm stuck in my house. I'm freaking out.